Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Vasu Electro Tutorial class. So now in our today's session, we going to discuss and perform the experiment and project of smart traffic light using D flip-flop. So we first study about the D flip-flop, that what is D flip-flop, okay, and after that we will start designing on the Tinkercad. So here, so first of all, we first discuss about the pin configuration of the D flip-flop. So what are D flip-flop? So D flip-flop are used as a part of memory storage element and data processor as well. And the major application of D flip-flop are to introduce delay in timing circuit and as a buffer sampling data at specific intervals. So here you see that this one is the chip of the D flip-flop. So the IC we are using for the D flip-flop is 7474 IC we are using for the D flip-flop. So like our other ICs, D flip-flop having 14 pins, and among the 14 pins, the 7th number pin is ground pin and 14 number pin is VCC, means we give the power supply to the 14 number pin. Basically we give 5-volt supply to the 7474 IC. So inside the IC we are having the two flip-flop. So here this one is the type 1 of the D flip-flop and this one is the second type of the D flip-flop. So here we are having the first pin of this flip-flop is for the clear, second number pin is for the D, third number pin is for the clock, okay, fourth number pin is for the PR is for preset, fifth number pin is for the Q, and sixth number pin is for the Q bar. So here actually we are giving a square pulse to the second number input of the D flip-flop. So here the second type of the D flip-flop is given here. So here the 8th number pin is for the Q bar and 9 number pin is for the Q, 10 number for the preset, 11 number pin for the clock, and 12 number pin is for the D, and 13 number pin is for the clear. So here these are the pin configuration of the D flip-flop. So now I will tell you that according to the circuit, I will show you the circuit diagram of the smart traffic light, that how we design that on the Tinkercad. So here the next one is this one is the circuit diagram for the smart traffic light using D flip-flop. So actually this one is the complete of the IC. This one is the complete IC of the D flip-flop. So here these are the two flip-flop that I already shown to you in the pin configuration. So here let me call. So this one is the D, and in the pin configuration this one is the second number pin, and here this one is the clock, and this one is actually the second flip-flop that I already shown to you in the IC configuration, and this one is located at pin number 11 in the IC. So here the second number pin and 11 number pin is connected together, and we take a wire and in between the second and 11 and connect that wire to the Q bar. So in the IC the pin number is 6. So hence we take the wire and connect that wire to the Q bar. Okay, and after that we take another wire. So here this one is the Q. So this Q is at pin number 9 in the IC. So we take that wire and connect these two wires to the input of the AND gate. Okay, and here the output of this AND gate is connected to the LED, right? And after that this one is the clock input. So the clock input we give with the help of function generator to the clock. So here this one is the type 1 of the flip-flop 1. Okay, so this is located at pin number 3 in the IC. So we connect the function generator to the pin number 3 Okay, and actually we give a square wave from the function generator to the pin number 3rd. Okay, so after that the pin number 12. So here this D in the flip-flop second is at pin number 2nd, pin number 12, sorry, pin number 12, and here the Q bar is at pin number 8. Okay, so pin number 8. So pin number 8 and 12 are connected together, and we take the wire in between these two and connect the output. So at the output we are having the LED. Okay, so here this one. So after that this one is the Q. So in the IC this Q position is at pin number 5. So we take that wire and connect to the output. So based on this type of designing, I already designed the circuit on the Tinkercad. Okay, so the schematic diagram here, this one is the schematic diagram of the traffic light system using D flip-flop, this one. So now let me show you that how we design that circuit on the Tinkercad. So first of all, now we open the Tinkercad on our desktop. So here you see that this one is the online platform, that is our Tinkercad. Okay, so in order to perform this experiment, we are having a requirement of breadboard. So we type in the search bar for the breadboard. This one is our breadboard, and take the breadboard here and connect that breadboard, put that breadboard on the left side screen. So in order to perform that experiment, we are having a requirement of D flip-flop IC. So the IC number is 7474. 7474 is the D flip-flop IC. Okay, as mentioned here. So put that IC on the breadboard here. Okay. So after that, the second another IC is our 7408. So 7408. This is our IC of the AND gate. We put that IC on the breadboard here. So as we already know that the pin number 7, pin number this is our pin number 7 that we connected to the ground. So in order to connect that pin to the ground, we use a black color wire. So after that, we connect that wire to the ground, and we already know that the pin number 14 we connect to the power supply. Connect that 14 number pin to the power supply, and for the power supply we use a red color wire. Okay, this one like this. So after that, the another component is our power supply. So we search in the search bar for the power supply. Okay, this one. So now put that power supply over here. Okay, so the negative terminal we connect to the negative layer of the horizontally shorted slots, giving the color to the wire black. Positive is connected to the positive terminal. Okay, and giving the color to the wire red. So as we are using the upper layer, lower layer, and the upper layer together, so that's why we internally short it together, the negative layer to the negative layer of the horizontally shorted slots, giving the color to the wire black, and the positive layer we connect to the positive layer of the horizontally shorted slot, this one, and giving the color to the wire red in this manner. Okay, so now come to the point. So now we first doing the connection. Okay, so we first doing the connection. So here, as I already shown to you the connection. So here, let me share once again. So this one is the connection. Okay, so here is the connection is mentioned here, the pin number 2nd. So here the pin number 2nd is connected to the pin number 6 and pin number 11. Okay, so let me first connect this connection, make the connection here. So now we connect the 2nd number pin to the 6 number pin. So this is our pin number second. Okay. So we connect that pin number 6 to the pin number second to the pin number 6. Okay. So this is our pin number 6. Okay. So now the next pin we are using, next connection is for the, take the wire orange, and from this pin number 6 we connect it to the pin number 11. So here the pin number 11 is, this is pin number 8, 9, 10 and 11. This one is our 11 number pin. Connect it to the 11 number pin. Okay. This is pin number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Right. So after that, so as I already mentioned to you in the circuit diagram, we take the wire in the middle of these and connect that wire to the output, to the input of our AND gate. So the input of the AND gate is this one, right? So the another connection is, we now make the connection for connecting the 5th number pin to the output. So for the output we are using the LED. So this one is the LED we are using. Okay, this is our red LED. This one, suppose this is the one we take the yellow, and this LED we are using for the green, because we going to design the circuit for the traffic light. So here the resistance we are using, the value of the resistance we are using the 220 ohm. Okay, the value of the resistance is 220 ohm we are using. Connect that across the LED in this manner. Okay, so now we connect the 5th number pin to the output. So here the 5th number pin is connected to the ground. So this one is our 5th number pin. This one is the 5th number pin. So we take the wire and connect that wire to the 5th number pin, to the output, this one. And for the output we are using the green color wire, this one. Okay. So now the next thing is what? The next thing is we now connect the 12 number pin and 8 number pin together. We now connect the 12th number pin. So here this one is our pin number 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This one is our 12 number pin, and 8 number pin we are connecting together. We take the wire from the 12 number pin, okay, and connect that 12 number pin with the 8th number pin. So this one is our 8th number pin, and now we change the color to the wire, and we give the color to this combination, and with the different color wire. Okay, and after that we take the wire from in between the 12 and 8 number pin and connect that wire to the output as mentioned in the circuit diagram. Okay, so here this wire, this combination we connect to the output, this wire, and for the output we are using the green color wire, this one. So now the next thing is what? Now we connect the 9th number pin. So here this one is our 9th number pin, 7, 8, 9. This one is our 9th number pin, right? So we connect the 9th number pin to the input of our AND gate. So here now we take that wire, okay, and connect that wire to the input. So this is our input of our AND gate, and we give the color to the wire orange, okay, for the input, and the output of the AND gate is at pin number 3rd, and the pin number 3rd now we connect to the our output in this manner, and for the output we are using the green color wire, okay, in this manner, right? So here the connection is almost complete. So now we connect the first number pin. So the first number pin is for what? The first number pin is for the clear. The first number pin of this IC for the clear. We connect it to the power supply, and for the power supply we are using the red color wire, okay. And here the pin number 4. So this one is the pin number 4, right? This one is the pin number 4. So the pin number 4 is for the clock pulse, right? We connect it to the yes, pin number 4. We connect it to the supply, and after that, now we connect the pin number 13. So the pin number 13 we connect to the power supply, this one, okay. And after that, now we are remaining this IC, that is our 7, 8, 9. So ninth number, yes, the ninth number pin is the Q. Ninth number pin is the Q, that is connected to the power supply like this. And after that, now one component is remaining, that is our function generator. That is our function generator. We are using the function generator here, okay. So for giving the input pulse, okay. So in the function generator we are having the 2 terminals. So the negative terminal of the function generator, we connect it to the negative layer of horizontally shorted slots in this manner, and giving the color to the wire black, and the positive terminal of this, the positive terminal of this function generator, now we connect it to the pin number 3rd. This one is the pin number 3rd, right? And giving the color to the wire red. So now, as the connection is now complete for this experiment, okay. So now as when I start the simulation, so here you see that our LEDs start glowing, and now there is some changes we when we do, then these LEDs start glowing. These LEDs start blinking. So here, as we give the square input to the function generator, square input from the function generator to the circuit. So the frequency we mentioned here already by default 1000. So when we reduce the frequency to 1 kilohertz, okay. So here you see that after that our LEDs start blinking when I adjust the frequency, and giving the input voltage to this 5 volt, okay, to the circuit. So after making this type of connection, our LEDs start glowing, and our project or experiment of the smart traffic light using D flip-flop now completed. So hope this thing clear to you. So now I request all you. So if you are satisfied this demonstration, hardware demonstration, so please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, okay, because this thing motivate me and give new content in front of you. So thank you very much for the channel. Thank you very much for the session. Have a nice day to all.